Morning, guys. Welcome back to the episode. This edition of Joe Dirt. When you can't afford to buy new tires, I can teach you how to fix them with screws. Do it at your own risk. You could die doing this, but anyway. So this is my TRX 200D 1991. Same age as me. Bought it off a scrap trailer with flat tires that were in pretty good condition otherwise, but they're very cracked. So we're just going to tilt the camera over and show you the repair I did. This repair is probably a year old. It's had tons of trail rides. It's been through Demon Run. Off-road park a couple of times. And all around the property, it's pulled trees, pulled other four-wheelers home. I have cracked a few screws. This is basically where the wheeler sat with no air in the tire. So it made a crack up through it, stops here, and then restarts down through here. So this is the worst crack in the tires. Both rear tires kind of had the same, basically the same story on the other side. This big flap here has just always been that way. I got an inner tube in it. So what I did just basically is you could let some of the air out to try and get the inner tube to retreat a little bit. This inner tube is smaller in diameter than the tire, so it'll shrink a lot. So what we did with the gap opens, we smeared some silicone sealant in there and then drew the gap together. The silicone will keep the tire from pinching, and it'll help fill up the gap to keep sticks and stuff out. So we just came back from a ride last evening, and this whole side here was split open all the way up across. So, I don't have the cash on hand right now. Hopefully fortunes will change. We'll be able to spend $120 on a set of tires. But for now, I figured out that I could screw a screw all the way down through the sidewall. You can see the imprint of the screw here. So I kind of went in and out. They came out here, and then I got them to go back in because I don't really want to catch all the grass and stuff. But I'm pretty confident of this fix. And hopefully it'll give us a little bit longer service life. Some of these screws broke, so basically like every time we tighten the chain and grease the rear axle, we'll go back and check the sidewalls. Check before every big trip. Engine oil, tires. Go through, check all that stuff. So today we're going to go down to the rocket launch on the muck and see if we can strike up any business recovering rockets. If not...
Oh, the wiggle off the ground. 3, 2, 1. Nice. 1.
I must have let go and it just, the whole thing flew up. So I guess I don't understand how this
There goes.
works.
You got delay grains on those igniters.
Yeah,
Up,
just the guidance.
over,
So all so that
coming over,
so
coming over, coming down. Mickey has that question. There it goes. Nice. Nice, nice. There, you get lucky, it's going to drift back and land over here on the road. Okay. It's fast and loud. He's still going. So in 3, 2, 1. It is still burning. Coming over. 56 dark matter. We're going to get a main at 800, and we are going to go in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got to turn it on. We're going to go in 3, 2, 1. That was super cool, Mickey. Super cool.
Hopefully we can get some cool footage for you guys. The event size varies, so it might be great or it might not be. But we're going to go down and see what's up. See if they allow ATVs in there. I know they do, at least for the people that are at the event firing rockets. There's some outfits that have ATVs for recovery and stuff. So we're done painting silver. We got the Recon and 3-wheeler tires. We're going to take this back off because we don't need to use them anymore. So we're going to throw them on. Guys, that's going to be it for now. Thanks for watching. And that's how you screw your tires back together. Yes. I've seen them sewed together with cable before, and I really like this method. The screws do want to back out after a while, and they do break from fatigue just because the rubber flexes and the screws don't. Well, they probably do eventually just break. So we're going to see how the sidewall works. The tire's got enough of an arch in it, so the flex will probably be in the arch. If not, it'll just blow apart, and then I'll just figure something out. I actually have a spare 3-wheeler with a set of these on it, but the wheels are different because it's a 3-wheeler. The bolt pattern is big around. So I'd have to beat these tires off, beat those off, beat them back on, so it's not worth the effort for 120 bucks. I'm just going to screw them together one more time, and we'll take the last ride. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode where we do some more dumb stuff.